Speed up your PC and protect your privacy with these 7 easy Windows 10 tweaks. Subscribe and let's dive in. Number 1. Turn off voice data collection. I'm not comfortable with Windows collecting my voice data, and if you agree, here's how to turn it off. Step 1. Right-click the Windows logo and go to Settings. Step 2. Click on Privacy and then go to Speech. Here, you'll see options related to voice clips and how they're collected. Scroll down and hit Stop contributing my voice clips. Now, your voice data won't be used. Number 2. Limit diagnostic data. Next, let's control how much diagnostic information Windows is collecting. Step 1. In the Privacy settings, click on Diagnostics and Feedback. Step 2. Switch the setting from optional to required. This reduces the amount of data Microsoft gets. Then, turn off tailored experiences to stop personalized ads. Finally, scroll down and delete any data they've already gathered. Number 3. Disable advertising ID tracking. Windows assigns a unique advertising ID to each user to target ads. If that feels intrusive, here's how to disable it. Step 1. Go back to Privacy settings, then choose General. Step 2. Turn off the option labeled Let apps use advertising ID. You can also tweak the other settings here according to your preferences. Number 4. Remove app suggestions in the Start menu. Those suggestions in the Start menu are often just ads. Here's how to get rid of them. Step 1. Go to Settings, select Personalization, and then click Start. Step 2. Toggle off Show suggestions occasionally in Start to stop unwanted ads. Number 5. Adjust Windows Update settings. Windows updates are important, but you can fine-tune them to make updates more convenient. Step 1. Open Settings, go to Update and Security, and click Advanced Options. Step 2. Turn on Receive Updates for other Microsoft products and enable notifications for restarts. Step 3. Head to Delivery Optimization. I recommend setting it to PCs on my local network only to save bandwidth. Number 6. Control background apps. Apps running in the background can slow down your PC. Let's decide which ones are necessary. Step 1. In Privacy settings, go to Background Apps. Step 2. Either turn them all off or go through the list and disable the ones you don't need, like games or tools you rarely use. Number 7. Customize search settings for better results. Windows Search can be tweaked to work better for you. Here's how. Step 1. Open Settings, go to Search, and click on Searching Windows. Step 2. If you want Windows to search more thoroughly, switch to Enhanced Mode. This will include more locations on your PC in the search results, and that's it. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more tips, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next one.